So this past week in Oregon, we've been fighting wildfires and smoke everywhere. And then last night, a good thing, we had a huge storm cell and tons of rain knocked down part of my fence and my Jerusalem artichokes. Not happy. Well, a lot of the power went out around the city. Kids' internet went out, and we had to pivot quickly to an asynchronous day. And so I needed to be able to serve my students as quickly as possible with a reusable page so that they knew what our schedule was for today. Hi, I'm Evan and welcome to the Canvas Tutorial Show. Today I want to give you a quick 2-minute tip on how you can use a reusable page for pacing your course. So here we go. So here I'm just on a module page, and I want you to notice some common pages that I have here. You'll notice that after the text title that I have, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I have a consistent type of document. Okay, so here you see schedule, live, then independent, that document again down here. On Wednesdays we do asynchronous days, so that's that one. But then today, because we had to pivot from a live day to an asynchronous day, I was able to throw this document in there and my students knew what it is we were doing. So I want to show you both and then encourage you to use them. And they can be used for this. You could also use it for other things. So this is a page that I have. It tells my students what time we're going to be on Zoom together, as well as what times they're going to be working independently. And next week, they know that I'm going to have other ones. This full week, we're doing the same pattern each day. But I want them to know that some days we won't start on Zoom together. Some days I'll ask them to do their independent work first, and then we'll do Zoom at the end of the period. Okay, and so by having this page here, they know, oh, this is the pattern. Okay. And so then today, that same idea of that today's an asynchronous day. What does that mean? This is a page. I only have one copy of this page in my entire course. Okay, so whenever I need to add a pacing document like a schedule or something, I just come up here to my plus symbol on my module and I find that. Now remember, I'm using a page, but I'm not copying the page. This is something I've seen teachers do a lot, is that they will they'll click on the dots and then they'll copy or duplicate the page. Now you have a bunch of copies of that. You don't need that. You need the same document, the same course item multiple times. And so click and then choose which one you're on. Okay, we're doing an asynchronous day today. Maybe I'll throw an indent in there and I throw it on and bam, the students know exactly what we're doing, and I didn't have to add anything extra, do any extra work beyond just putting the page there. So use these things. You can use them for where to stop. Like personally, I do that at the end of an assignment. I have a stop sign. I don't have one on today. There it is. I do. Right here. I just put an image at the end, but you can do that, and I've seen some teachers just do a stop page right there. But again, what I see is that they're duplicating the stop page, and so they have 50 of them by the time they're a couple months in. Instead, use one page and just insert it multiple times in a module. Okay, so this has been a quick 2-minute tip on how to use reusable pages to pace your course. Really encourage you to give it a go. If you haven't already, hit that follow button on the Canvas Tutorial Show so you get every new episode as we update it. Make sure you join the Canvas Tutorial Show community. Just type in @CanvasTuts. And more than anything, right there's the message. It says share the good stuff. If this has been helpful to you, it's probably helpful to somebody else. Go into the Canvas groups that you're a part of, share it out. Put some of your colleagues' names in there and tell them why this is something that they should watch. Cheers.